This is a video on how to sew a yoke inset. First, I'm going to explain the wrong way. Normally when we stitch two pieces together, we start out like this, maneuvering the fabric on top around the fabric on the bottom. And then it comes out like this, uneven and not lining up. So we're not going to do it this way. Now I'm going to show you the right way. First, we start out by stitching around the yoke seams. Stitch around the front piece of the romper as well. This gives you a stitching guide. Then clip the curves and fold the seam over, following the stitches as a guide. Glue all around the edges using a glue stick. Place the yoke directly onto the folded edges that you just put glue on, lining up the shoulders. Yoke on back side of romper, wrong side of the fabric. With the garment laying face up, pull back the romper and stitch right over your previous stitching lines, maneuvering the romper around the yoke rather than the yoke around the romper. The yoke lays flat at all times. Now, doesn't that look much better? Iron out the wrinkles and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Follow me on all my platforms.